Hey, it's William Jamin. Welcome to Learn Digital. You're watching a series video of 1000 tips of procreate. Have you encountered a problem like this? So if you choose a brush, especially calligraphy or some brush, or if you like buy or import some other brushes, you will feel a very weird scenario. So for example, if I'm using this brush, you can see that this line is very sticky. Okay, I don't know how to describe that kind of feeling. Let me just make it wider. But you can sort of feel that it's very sticky. So it's not like it's averaging things, but rather it's like a post-processing things. So when you hold a specific place and you want to change direction, it's sort of just change direction abruptly. Okay, so the previous line will be really smooth, and then you change direction, and it's kind of sticky, like a stick in your brush, and change things abruptly. But it kind of make the changes, even though abrupt, but it kind of sticky. So it's not what I'm trying to say. I don't know. It's just a personal feeling. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that if I move up and down, I try to move up and then move down like directly, like really pointy. But this is like a smooth things. Okay, so in order to adjust this thickness and make it go away, or if you want to if you love this thickness, you can do something like this. Okay, so you can let me just duplicate using this monoline brush. Of course, I believe there are a lot of brush like a script. This brush also have that kind of thickness. Okay, you can use any of the brush. Right now, I just duplicate the monoline. Of course, you can just add the original brush and then reset. Okay, but my personal preference is like a duplicate. Okay, and then you click the stabilization. So the Procreate stabilization is a little bit different if you come from other drawing software like Photoshop, something like that, or Clip Studio Paint. So the Clip Studio Paint or Photoshop or other software, they are kind of averaging out. So in order to calculate the average, it's a sort of lagging rather than this thickness feeling in Procreate. So if you look at here, the streamline amount is like a 66, is fairly big. So if I decrease this number, sometimes the stabilization also got like a pretty high. So you can see this stabilization. I know maybe it's a Procreate to try to simulate this smoothness feeling while doing the stabilization, but the algorithm definitely is not the algorithm that's used by Photoshop or any other, at least for me, any other software that I used before. Because any other software, there would be a lagging line. But right now, if I increase the stabilization, you'll be like a simultaneously, but it kind of a weird, because if I change position, it's kind of like a stick here and then move another direction. It's really weird. So if you don't like this feeling, you can just decrease this to 0, streamline as well as stabilization to 0, and then you can use the texture using all the pointy or the overlapping rendering effect of the brush without worrying about the thickness. Okay, so if you want to do the line yourself, you can do this line. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so hope this is helpful, and yeah, bye.